Deep in Germany there's a special place nestled in the heart of Bavaria where innovation meets tradition. This is not just any place, it's a hub of creativity and technology. Here at the Adidas headquarters, the future of footwear is dreamed up by some of the brightest minds in the industry. It's a place where ideas are born and nurtured. The designers work like explorers, charting new territories in the world of sportswear. They collaborate, brainstorm, and push the boundaries of what's possible. Instead of maps, they use advanced computer programs to navigate their creative journeys. These tools allow them to visualize and refine their ideas with precision. They don't use compasses. They use 3D models to guide their designs. These models help them understand the intricacies of each shoe, from the sole to the laces. They're not just making shoes, they're creating something special. Each prototype is a testament to their dedication and craftsmanship. Every line, every curve has a reason. The designers meticulously refine each detail to ensure the perfect balance of form and function. They use information about athletes to help them design. By understanding the needs and feedback of athletes, they can create shoes that enhance performance and comfort. They think about how the shoes will feel and perform. Every prototype is rigorously tested to ensure it meets the highest standards of quality and performance. Comfort is important, but so is style. The designers strive to create shoes that not only perform well, but also look great. The designers have to balance how the shoes look and how they work. It's a delicate dance between aesthetics and functionality. They're really good at what they do. Their passion and expertise shine through in every design they create. But before any sewing starts, the materials are tested. Each material undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it can withstand the demands of athletic performance. Like a mountain climber checking their ropes, Adidas makes sure everything is strong. The materials are tested for durability, flexibility, and strength. They push the materials to the limit. These high-stress tests ensure that the shoes can handle the toughest conditions. Only the strongest materials are used to make Adidas shoes. This commitment to quality ensures that every pair of Adidas shoes is built to last. Collaboration with athletes is key. By working closely with those who will wear the shoes, designers gain valuable insights that inform their creations. Adidas shoes have been part of countless historic moments in sports. From world records to personal bests, these shoes have supported athletes in their greatest achievements. The legacy of Adidas is built on innovation and excellence. Each new design is a step forward, inspired by the successes of the past. And so, from the birthplace of ideas, new creations emerge. Each shoe is a blend of tradition and innovation, ready to make its mark on the world. We're talking about really cool materials that make you feel like you can do anything. Adidas has always been at the forefront of innovation, and their commitment to sustainability is no exception. By integrating recycled materials into their products, they are not only creating high-performance gear but also contributing to a healthier planet. This approach is a game-changer in the world of sportswear, where performance and eco-friendliness can sometimes seem at odds. But Adidas is proving that you don't have to compromise one for the other. Their use of advanced materials ensures that athletes can perform at their best, while also making a positive impact on the environment. Mesh to let your feet breathe even when you're working hard. This breathable fabric is designed to keep your feet cool and comfortable, no matter how intense your workout gets. The mesh material is lightweight yet durable, providing the perfect balance of support and flexibility. It's ideal for running, training, or just everyday wear. The meticulous process of cutting and sewing the mesh fabric ensures that each piece is crafted to perfection, offering maximum comfort and performance. Adidas's attention to detail in the production of their mesh fabric is a testament to their dedication to quality and innovation. Leather for a classic look that's super tough. Leather has been a staple in footwear for centuries, and for good reason. It's incredibly durable, offering long-lasting wear and a timeless aesthetic. Adidas sources high-quality leather to ensure that their shoes not only look great, but also stand up to the rigors of daily use. The process of cutting and sewing leather is a skilled craft, requiring precision and expertise. Each piece of leather is carefully inspected and handled to maintain its integrity and quality. This commitment to using premium materials is what sets Adidas apart in the world of athletic footwear. Rubber, to keep you from slipping, no matter where you are. The rubber soles used in Adidas shoes are designed to provide superior traction and durability. Whether you're running on a wet track, hiking on a rocky trail, or just walking around town, these rubber soles will keep you steady on your feet. The process of molding and cutting the rubber is highly technical, ensuring that each sole meets the highest standards of performance and safety. Adidas's use of high-quality rubber materials is a key component in their commitment to creating footwear that performs well in any condition. But Adidas cares about more than just making great shoes. They care about the planet too. This is evident in their commitment to using recycled materials in their products. By repurposing waste materials, Adidas is reducing their environmental footprint and promoting a more sustainable future. This approach not only benefits the planet but also sets a positive example for other companies in the industry. Adidas's dedication to sustainability is reflected in every aspect of their production process, from sourcing materials to manufacturing and beyond. They are constantly looking for new ways to innovate and improve their environmental impact. That's why they use recycled materials like turning ocean plastic into athletic wear. This initiative is part of Adidas's broader commitment to sustainability and environmental stewardship. By collecting and repurposing ocean plastic, Adidas is helping to clean up our oceans and reduce the amount of waste that ends up in landfills. The process of transforming ocean plastic into high-performance fabrics is a remarkable feat of engineering and innovation. It involves collecting, sorting, and processing the plastic to create yarn that can be woven into fabric. This fabric is then used to create a wide range of athletic wear, from shoes to apparel. Imagine that, turning trash into something awesome. This transformation is not only beneficial for the environment, but also demonstrates the incredible potential of recycled materials. Adidas's use of recycled plastic is a powerful example of how innovation and sustainability can go hand in hand. By turning waste into high-quality products, Adidas is showing that it's possible to create performance gear that is both eco-friendly and effective. This approach is paving the way for a more sustainable future in the world of sportswear and beyond. Adidas uses recycled polyester and wants to stop using new polyester altogether. This ambitious goal is part of their broader strategy to reduce their environmental impact and promote sustainability. Recycled polyester is made from post-consumer plastic waste such as bottles and packaging, which is collected, cleaned, and processed into new fibers. These fibers are then used to create high-performance fabrics that are just as durable and effective as those made from new polyester. By committing to using only recycled polyester, Adidas is taking a significant step towards reducing their reliance on non-renewable resources and minimizing their carbon footprint. This is good for the earth, and it shows that being eco-friendly and making great gear can work together. Adidas's commitment to sustainability is not just about using recycled materials, it's about rethinking the entire production process to minimize environmental impact. From energy-efficient factories to sustainable sourcing practices, Adidas is leading the way in creating a more sustainable future for the sportswear industry. Their efforts demonstrate that it's possible to create high-performance products that are also kind to the planet. By choosing Adidas, consumers can feel good about their purchase, knowing that they are supporting a company that values both performance and sustainability. Let's go behind the scenes into the Adidas factories. Here, innovation meets tradition in a seamless blend of craftsmanship and technology. The journey of creating a pair of Adidas shoes is a fascinating one, filled with meticulous attention to detail and a passion for excellence. This is where the real magic happens. Each shoe starts as a concept, a vision brought to life by a team of dedicated designers and engineers. They work tirelessly to ensure that every detail is perfect, from the initial sketches to the final product. Skilled workers, who are really good at what they do, bring the designs to life. These artisans have honed their skills over years, mastering the art of shoemaking. They take pride in their work, knowing that each pair of shoes they create will be worn by athletes and enthusiasts around the world. They're like artists, but they work with high-tech materials. These materials are carefully selected for their durability, flexibility, and performance. From lightweight fabrics to advanced cushioning systems, every component is chosen to enhance the wearer's experience. Sewing machines make a steady sound as the top parts of the shoes are made. The rhythmic hum of the machines is a testament to the precision and consistency required in this process. Each stitch is meticulously placed to ensure the highest quality. Each stitch is important, holding everything together. The stitching not only provides structural integrity, but also adds to the aesthetic appeal of the shoe. It's a delicate balance between form and function. Then comes the midsole, the part that makes the shoes comfy and supportive. The midsole is engineered to provide the perfect balance of cushioning and stability, ensuring that every step is comfortable and secure. And last, the outsole, the part that touches the ground. The outsole is designed to provide traction and durability, allowing the wearer to perform at their best, whether on the track, the field, or the street. It has to be tough. Rigorous testing ensures that the outsole can withstand the demands of various activities, providing long-lasting performance and protection. It's like a carefully planned dance, and every step is important to make the finished shoe. The assembly line is a symphony of coordinated efforts where each worker plays a crucial role in bringing the shoe to life. From start to finish, the process is a testament to the dedication and expertise of everyone involved. It's like a boot camp for shoes. Every pair of Adidas shoes is tested to make sure they're super tough. Special machines bend the shoes over and over like they're being walked in for miles. Adidas even makes it rain on the shoes to make sure they keep your feet dry, and of course they check how well the shoes grip so you don't slip. They want to make sure that when you wear Adidas shoes, you know they'll do a great job. The journey doesn't end at the factory. After the shoes pass all the tests, they're carefully packed and shipped all over the world. Adidas is everywhere, from big cities to mountain trails. You'll see people wearing the famous 3 stripes everywhere you go. Adidas also wants to be good to the planet. They're always looking for ways to ship shoes using less energy and less waste. Adidas cares about nature. They want to protect the earth just like you would when you're exploring outside. They have big plans to be climate neutral by 2050. That means they want to make sure they don't hurt the environment. They're working with groups to protect forests. They also have a program called Move for the Planet that raised money to teach people about the environment. And they work with other companies to make shoes that are good for the planet, like the Futuristic footprint. Making shoes fast is important. Adidas is always looking for ways to make shoes quicker and better. They used to have special factories called speed factories that use robots to make shoes super fast. Even though those factories closed, Adidas still uses what they learned to make shoes faster. They're always trying new things. Should shoes be made by hand or by machines? Adidas thinks both are important. Some parts of making shoes need the skill of a person, like careful stitching, but other parts, like cutting fabric, can be done faster and better by machines. Adidas uses both people and machines to make the best shoes possible. When you wear Adidas, you're part of something special. Adidas is all about new ideas, pushing limits, and always trying to be the best. From designing the shoes to making them in the factory, everyone at Adidas cares about what they do. But it's not just about making great shoes, it's about doing good things for the world. Adidas uses recycled materials and helps communities. So, when you see those 3 stripes, remember everything that goes into making Adidas shoes. It's a story of skill, new ideas, and caring about the planet. It's the Adidas way, and it inspires people all over the world.